Eve of Reduction and the author of the Do-It-Yourself lifestyle book, Living Simple, Free, and Happy. Today I'm going to talk about the do-it-yourself way to convert wasted space into a sewing room. Now, the essentials of a sewing room are simply a sewing machine and a cabinet or a table for it to go on. That's pretty obvious. But what you may not realize is how much storage space you need for all the supplies that go with sewing. So here I have a shelf unit, and a shelf unit is perfect for storing and organizing your fabric. Reserve the top shelf for fabric bolts or things that you may not use as often. And baskets are a great way to separate specific types of fabric like leather or felt. Now, sewing also accumulates a lot of notions like ribbons, buttons, trims. You may want to create a ribbon dispenser like this repurposed wire flower box. You could also use a hanger, a wooden crate, or a box with a dowel for ribbon storage and dispensing. Your new sewing room will also need space to work. This could be an open tabletop or an armoire that would provide storage and a work surface. Now, ironing boards are also great for providing extra workspace. They often fold up, so they only take space when you are using them. So just look around your house for underutilized furniture that could serve as storage and work surfaces in your new sewing room. I'm Kristen Frank, the Reduction Rebel, and we've just looked at the do-it-yourself way to transform wasted space into a sewing room.